Don't be scared.
Donovan, is he telling the
Your
truth?
toe's almost on the ground, literally.
What does it say?
It says go, you're there.
It says 3 yeah, it's Eerie right there.
You're there, go. Just kidding, it's 8 feet.
Is it for real?
No, you're touching.
I'm there.
I told you. Is it cold?
No.
It's not cold?
No.
All right, let's see. Think I can keep my hat on?
No.
20 bucks.
Yeah.
20 bucks says I can keep it on?
No.
You don't think?
You
Okay.
tighten it.
How cold is it?
I'm in here.
Oh. All right, here I go. I'm gonna do a, this is what's good. This is called a back slope eavesdrop. Ready? Yeah, back slope eavesdrop. Here you go. Back slope eavesdrop.
Back slope.
Oh, the hat stayed on. 20, give me my 20 bucks. Give me my 20 bucks. Oh, I think I see a shark. I do. There's a little shark. Let's see if we can get close to him. Little sandbar shark. Little shark, guys. Look at the shark. That shark?
Yeah.
Yeah, we were following one too. There were 2 of them.
You got the sharky shark.
All right, we're gonna anchor here for a little bit and hang out.
With the sharks?
Yeah, with the sharks. Let's do it.
They don't bite.
Let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Big bubbles.
I'm gonna shake it so it gets
Shake.
I got it. Bring it over here. Hurry! Run! Let's go over here. Back. Huh? There's so much more.
Bubbles.
Ah! There's a bubble on me. I shall
Whoa. Hey, Ryan, what are you looking for?
Treasure.
Treasure? You going under?
Yep.
Go. See what you can find. Oh, yeah? I'll do it again. I didn't mean to get you wet.
We're in the doghouse.
No.
Yes.
Okay, well get next to me again. I dare you. Get next to me again. Get next to me again. Oh God. Back. Oh God. Oh. Oh. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing?
Dad, where are you taking me?
Is there a rock growing out of this tree? This tree's growing a rock. What in the world? Oh, wait a minute, guys. Somebody's already out here. Okay, hold on. We might have ran across somebody's camp. We come in peace. Hello? We come in peace. Tell them, we come in peace. All right, let's keep moving. Oh my goodness. What is this? What is this, Caleb? Don't mess with it. It's a cross. Don't mess with it.
Yeah, what
Come
you
on.
said.
Let's keep going. Charcoal. All right, keep moving, guys. Come on. We got to be careful. No telling. Got it? Whoa! Watch your step. No telling whose camp that is.
Watch out for me.
There's nobody on this island. There's no boats.
Ah, my tree.
Timber.
Oh, look, a horseshoe crab. Where?
Oh yeah.
Dad, a horseshoe crab.
Yeah, there's a horseshoe crab in there. Right there.
Oh, I wonder if he got stuck in there.
I wonder if I can touch it.
No, he looks. Move him. He might be alive.
No, he's dead.
You sure?
Yeah. Yeah. You can hear him. Yeah, he's
No,
dead.
he's moving.
No, he's moving.
Get him, Caleb. Come on, let's save him. No, for real. Let's
You
save
can
him.
grab his tail.
All right, we're gonna save him, buddy. Okay. Okay, hold on, bud. Hold on, buddy. Oh, boy. Okay, buddy. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, buddy. We got you. Oh, he was stuck in there. Caleb.
I'll put him down by the water.
Yeah, we're gonna save him. Oh my goodness. I don't know about cute.
You're a cutie patootie.
He's gonna love us.
Give
Oh,
me a kiss.
look. Guys, we saved him. There's cops up here. They are patrolling the beach, making everybody leave. And I don't blame them. But this is just something new. This is different. Nobody. It's a ghost town. Clearwater Beach. There should be thousands of people out here. And it's a ghost town. For a good reason, though. I mean, I don't know about a good reason, but it's a good reason to clear the beach, to keep all of this madness at bay. I mean, we're out here as a family. We did it very cautiously, very carefully, but Clearwater Beach, spring break, the last weekend of spring break, Saturday, and there is 0 people out here. I just, speechless. It's odd, it's eerie, it's weird. Oh no, you're going under. You're going. What is that? A big old shell. Bring it here.